my name is Bhakti Mange and I'm a bariatric nutritionist at Astha Bariatrics. Today we are going to talk about food synergies, food combinations that you can have to amp up your nutrient absorption in your body. We know that it is very important to include a lot of colors in your diet, to include a lot of different color fruits, vegetables, grains in your diet, but it is equally important that whatever you are eating is being absorbed in your body as well. The first such combination that you have to include in your day-to-day routine is your vitamin C and your plant-based iron. Your vitamin C makes sure that it converts the plant-based iron into a form that your body absorbs it very nicely. Second combination that you have to include in your diet is your cereals plus lentils and pulses. So both of these, they lack in an amino acid which is an essential amino acid. So a combination of both is going to make sure that you include full proteins in your diet, which is extremely important as a building block for your body, which is extremely important for wear and tear of your muscles. It is extremely important to improve your strength and stamina. The third and the most important combination, which is very important, is your good fat with your vegetables. Yes, good fat with vegetables. So what this does is, because of the good fat, your body absorbs the phytochemicals of your vegetables in a much better way. Now phytochemicals help you fight cancer, they help you improve your heart health, they help you improve your health, your hair health. So it is very important to include this combination in your diet. For example, put some olive oil on your grilled tomatoes, add some walnuts to your spinach salad. So that's how you include a combination of good fat and vegetables. The fourth Ram Malai Jodi is your vitamin D and calcium. Researchers show that vitamin D and calcium both have a really good impact on your bone health. They are essential to improve your bone health, but both in combination works better. Vitamin D makes sure that your calcium absorption is extremely good. So for example, club your tuna or eggs with some calcium rich foods like paneer or broccoli or even a little bit of cheese if you're allowed. The fifth and a very unique combination is your turmeric and your black pepper. We all know about the properties of curcumin, the anti-cancer properties of curcumin, which is present in turmeric, but adding black pepper to it, it improves the bioavailability of your curcumin. So it is very easy to add this combination while cooking. So make sure you add some amount of pepper when you're adding turmeric to your food. These are 5 important food combinations which is to be taken care. So for your next meal, make sure these are there in your food.